Just this morning, the Second Circuit Court of Appeals held that Section 215 of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act does not authorize government to engage in the bulk collection of phone numbers under the metadata program. One of the President's independent review group, which looked at this law, Mike Morrell, the former deputy director of the CIA, as well as the former director of the FBI, Robert Mueller, have said that had this program been in place prior to the terrorist attacks on our country on 9/11/01, it likely would have prevented those attacks. So we have a very serious question here of balancing security with privacy rights and the clarity of the law, which is set to expire. That provision expires June 1st. Since January of last year, this section of FISA has been conducted pursuant to new procedures that were instituted by the President. Now, the AG provides a semi-annual report on privacy violations associated with the law. The new procedure provides that, except in emergencies, the FISA court is now required to approve ahead of time any queries of phone records database because of the changes made by the President. Two questions. One, are you aware of any significant privacy violations that have occurred since the President instituted these reforms? And second, has the Justice Department made a decision yet on appealing this decision by the Second Circuit? I realize it just came down.
Yes. Thank you, Senator. Obviously, Section 215 has been a vital tool in our national security arsenal, but the Department has, as you note, been operating under the new directives by the President with a view towards modifying the program to keep its efficacy but preserve privacy interests. I am not aware at this time of any violations that have come to light. I will certainly seek a briefing on that, and should I learn of any, I will advise the committee of that if my knowledge changes on that. But as of now, I have not been informed of any violations under the new policy. With respect to the decision from the Second Circuit, my home circuit, actually, this morning, we are reviewing that decision. But given the time issues involving the expiration of it, we are also, and have been, working with this body and others to look for ways to reauthorize Section 215 in a way that does preserve its efficacy and protect privacy.